With us, Mr. Sandeep Agarwal. So, sir, over to you then. Can you just tell us about your Q4 performance? If I look at it, your margins, if you could just tell us what happened there.
Yeah, ma'am, basically we are working on the improvement of the efficiency of production as well as other efficiencies part of the company. So, and the other thing which contributed this year is the product mix change. That's why the margins are higher.
What was the volume growth, sir, in the quarter?
So practically the total growth, whatever is coming during the year, it is due to the volume growth only, because this year we don't received any price growth in any product.
Is the impact of demonetization completely behind, sir, especially in terms of working capital, etc.?
You can say, but yes, definitely there was some impact of demonetization also. Otherwise, the last quarter could have been much better than this. But yes, now it is over.
What was your volume and value growth this time? Because if I see your Q4 numbers, it's absolutely flat, despite the fact that your margins have increased. So what happened when it came to pure sales and growth?
Yeah, ma'am, the margins has increased due to the changes in the product mix. And the sales are flat because there was some impact of demonetization, and as well as there was season failure also in this quarter.
How is it looking in terms of, say, ahead of the monsoon, or if you have to compare yourself compared to sales last year, pre or post monsoon?
Yeah, this year, ma'am, at present the monsoon figures are coming good, and we are receiving pre-shower also. So sentiments are good in the market, but yes, I don't know what would be the impact of GST, because due to the transitional provision, there seems to be some adverse impact as on today on the sales.
Right, Mr. Agarwal, the sowing for the summer crop would be done, right?
Yeah, it is going good.
Right. Any specific sort of areas? Any specific markets you want to highlight where you think things are looking good? Any specific areas where, for whatever reasons, things are not looking that good in terms of sowing?
Yeah, sowing at present the things are going good because everywhere the monsoon forecast is quite good. So sowing is not a problem, but yes, GST maybe, I don't know what would be the exact impact of GST, because due to the transitional provisions, people are in doldrum whether to buy now or whether to buy after GST. That is the main problem that could impact the first quarter.
And is it impacting your distribution as well right now?
Yeah, right now it is impacting our distribution.
How?
Because for the last 1 week we had already almost stopped our sales because of the transitional credit provisions, how the distributor can take the provisions of their stocks lying with them. So that is the issue.
Right. So essentially you're saying that for products which you've already sold and which and on which VAT has been paid, right?
Yeah.
That stock is the issue.
Yeah, the stocks which would be there with the distributor on the transitional date, that would be the issue, because on those stocks, excise duty and VAT, both components are included, and whereas if you'll not be able to get the credit of both these components, then the cost will rise. So that the whole industry is now looking for the solution of that, and I think we are doing that. And hopefully in the coming 2-3 days, we'll be able to sort out this problem.
In what, for your sector, sir, what is the rate, the new GST rate? I mean, is 18%. It higher than, sorry, is it higher or lower?
18%, it is almost at par what we are paying at present.
Okay, then there should not be that much problem, right? I am assuming that only in sectors where the rate is lower and in which this transitional, on this VAT paid transitional stock, then there will be an issue if you have to pass on the benefit and then later claim tax credit from the government. In that case, it will be an issue.
Yeah, that is an issue.
But in your case,
credit is an issue.
Okay, but in your case, since it's almost similar, the rate, it should not be that big an issue, right?
Boss, for the long term, there is no negative impact, but definitely on the stocks which are lying with the distributor, because we are not issuing any excise invoice to them. So till they will not having excise invoice in their hand, they will not get the credit on that particular stock, which will be left over on the transition date. So that will become the issue.
And what is the solution? I mean, push it all out before the 1st of July
now
somehow? Or sell it back
The
to...
whole industry has decided to issue the excise invoice to the distributor. For that, we need to take registration all across our depots. So that we had already done. So now we are in the process of issuing the excise invoice. So once we will be able to issue the excise invoice to the distributor, they'll be able to take the credit on that. Then this problem will not be there.
Okay. And is there any problem in issuing the excise invoice?
No.
It's just infrastructure too.
Yeah, no.
There's no issue. Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate you joining in and good getting those details, Mr. Agarwal. And so, I mean, some speed bumps with regards to this GST, with regards to excise VAT paid inventory, which is out there in the system. So that is Insecticides India talking about business in that. We will take a very quick break here. We'll come right back. We'll discuss what's happening in the markets and of course get you the top trading ideas with Ashwini Gujral, who's going to be with us on